Oh, 3-year-olds?
Yeah.
I've never seen a 3-year-old on a mini bike before. That's why it's so amazing. Come here, 3-year-old. Okay, you want to put this on? Alright, are you ready?
Yeah. You should turn it on.
Turn it on. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'll turn it on. It's on. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Let's see you ride. Let's see you ride. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Shh. Where? What hurts? Your fingers?
Yeah, my
Okay. Your chin? Let me see. You're okay. Okay. You went really fast. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Move it here. Do this. Look at me. Move your arms like this. Does it hurt?
No.
Move your fingers like this.
No. There aren't knuckles.
Did you get your knuckles? Let me see. Let me see. They look okay. It looks like you knocked them a little bit, okay? Can I give them a kiss? Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try again?
Yeah.
All right, let's get this motorcycle out of here. Okay, you need to go nice and slow, okay?
It don't go slow.
You know how to make it go slow?
No.
Okay, here's how you do it. Let me show you.
Yeah.
If you twist it, that goes fast. If you let it go, it goes slow. Okay? Here, Linda, go get Grant.
I want to go fast.
You want to go fast?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't, but you, to stop, do you know how to stop? How do you stop it?
Uh.
There you go, you squeeze that guy. Okay? Squeeze it. Go. That's the fast, and that's the slow.
I'm
Okay.
gonna go the fastest.
Okay, let's try it. For it. Slow. Let it go. Good. Good. Is that faster than it used to be?
I'm gonna go super fast.
Okay, go again. Let's see it.
I'm do laps.
Okay, slow. Good. Fast. Good. Good.
Alright, watch me. Bye-bye.
Dude, you're okay.
Dad, do you have a
Yeah.
video of us? Are you gonna show us?
Are you okay? Carter, is everything working?
Look at Chris.
Let me see it, Carter.
Look at Kristen squat.
Good. You're okay, huh?
Dad,
Give me a big smile.
What?
Found it?